Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to create clickable checkboxes in your Microsoft Word, perfect for to-do list, forms, or surveys. So let's just dive right into the get started. So we can start by opening up the Microsoft Word. For that, go ahead and search for your Word application. And once you find it up, you can just go and open it up on your screen, and there we go. Now, once you go over here, you can go over and go to the document that you've created and look out for the File tab in the top, select it, and you can select the option of options from here. Select it up. Now, once you are here, you need to go ahead and select this option of customize ribbon. So select it up from your left hand side. And once you reach over here, you'll be finding different options. Now, on the right hand side of your screen, you need to check the box next to the developer. So go ahead and find that option of developer, check it up. And once you check it up, you can just go over and click on OK. And once you do, you will be finding a new developer tab appear on your Word toolbar at the top. So click on the developer tab, this one right here, and once you select developer tab in the controls group, in this controls group right here, you need to check this small icon that says checkbox control, content control. When you hover over it, so you can just go ahead and click on it, and once you click on it, a checkbox appears on your screen. I can now click to check it or uncheck it like this. So you can just go ahead and click and uncheck it. You can see the check mark being appeared on your screen. You can just go ahead and click and uncheck it. Now, in order to add more unbox, you can just go ahead and copy, and paste the checkbox. So you can just go over and do so. And once you do so, you can just go over and copy and paste it. And that way you can just go over and uncheck, check, and uncheck. You can even hover over to this right here and you can start going ahead and adding different checkbox. You can also adjust them, spacing, or adding text next to them, like task 1, task 2, like that. So you can just go over and add it up. And that is how you basically go ahead and add up the checkbox. You can see the checkbox being appeared. Just gonna go ahead and cancel these out, and that's it. You can even customize the check mark. You can go over the developer tab and go to the option of properties here. Once you select the checkbox, and once you're under properties, you can just go over and under checked symbol here, this one right here, you can change it and pick your favorite icon. So if you want right or any other icon, you can just go over and select it. There are a bunch of options available. You can look out for the one that you prefer, and then just go ahead and click on OK and click on OK once again. And when you go ahead and check it, you will be finding the icon being changed into your check. And that is it. That is how you create clickable checkboxes in Microsoft Word. Very quick and easy, and super useful for forms or tasks. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.